Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about the DATEDIFF function in Power BI DAX. Super useful function for calculating the differences between two dates in days, months, year or even seconds. The DATEDIFF function returns the difference between two dates based on the interval you choose, like day, month or year. Date different, see, date difference. Its a syntax is start date, end date, and it's an interval. Start date is beginning of the date, end date is ending date, interval the unit of time to return. For example, day, month, year, quarter, minute, and second. Okay, I have a sample orders table with columns, order ID, order date, and ship date. For example, calculate days between order date and ship date. Here added as a calculated column. So days to ship, okay, is equal to what? Date diff of order date and ship date. And date difference is what I have added here, day. Okay, so here you got the differences between order date and ship date. You can change the third argument, okay, to get the different date results. Like here we have day, instead you can give the month so that it will give the month difference. And also instead you can add year as well so that it will give the year difference as well. Like for example, copy this one, new column, month to ship. I'll write it as month and month and you can see here it will give the month difference. This is February and this is March. And difference month to ship, it is showing it as 1. One common mistake that I can tell here is make sure both columns are in date format. If they are showing numbers like 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, and all, change column date data type to what date. Remember that date diff counts the boundary crossing. For example, from Jan 1 to Feb 1, okay, which month here, you can see here, which month will return 1, even though it's exactly 31 days. Okay, here you can see. Hope you understand this one. And that's the date diff function in Power BI. It must have time-based calculations in your reports. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more powerful BI tips.